Running a business in South Africa is no small feat. Skyrocketing costs, inefficiencies, and time-consuming admin can hold you back. If your business still relies on manual processes, you're losing time, money, and your competitive edge every single day. The solution? Smart office automation. Whether you're a startup, SME, or corporate giant, automation eliminates bottlenecks, reduces expenses, and skyrockets efficiency. Manual processes drain productivity. Repetitive admin slows growth. Costly errors impact revenue. Scaling means hiring more people instead of using smarter systems. The longer you wait, the more you lose. With office automation, approvals are faster, errors decrease, and overhead costs drop. From document management to AI-powered analytics, automation helps businesses of every size work smarter, not harder. Retail optimizes stock tracking, healthcare improves patient scheduling, manufacturing enhances production, and finance automates compliance. Every industry benefits. Automation isn't just for big corporations. It's scalable, cost-effective, and future-proofs your business. With Daisy, you'll find tailored automation that fits your needs. Ready to unlock your business's full potential? Start automating for a smarter tomorrow. Search for Daisy Business Solutions today.